Hello, hello, hello everyone. How is everyone? कैसे हैं सब? Okay, this overlay looks good now. Let me also check the stream health and how it is looking. Let me also check the stream health and how it is looking. Okay, audio is fine. So, let's start. Where should we start from? Let me give you some updates. Let me share Miro first, and let me also document what's the update and all. By the way, whoever is joining new, what we are doing here in public is like building a business using AI, and I am an AI educator and AI consultant and coach, and I help people understand AI in a very simplified way, in a very simplified manner. So on the day one, we created an offer. I was building a LinkedIn automation system for myself, which we created as a package, and we created an offer and offering. Uh, Basically, I would say uh, creating a package, creating a packaging around what you are selling. I would say so. Just a skill or some steps in terms of LinkedIn automation, like what's supposed to be done. That is not the end product, right? End product is basically, let's say, whatever we're gonna. One second. Yeah, my screen share is on. Okay, it looks good. So we decided previously that we will be having like 25,000 per offer for the LinkedIn AI automation system. And what I was telling is the offer is not just the tool or the automation, it's basically the outcome what they're gonna get. For my example, before I started using this automation for myself, my impressions or reach, I would say, was not that much. It was barely like 100 or maybe like sometime lesser than that. And after using 15 days of that, it is just growing like 10x. I'm getting more engagement, I'm getting more discovery, more profile views. So at the end, the goal for using LinkedIn for business is like putting yourself out in an authentic manner. So whatever I built, we documented that previously on the day two. So basically, LinkedIn automation is the product. What we will provide is automation files, templates, prompts, setup videos, written setup guides, personalization framework, one focus setup, Q&A call, community access if they maintain. I just built the Discord community back few days, and whatever you are seeing right now as the user interface for my live, I was building that when I was, instead of doing this live stream. So I gathered all the courage, and let's give it one more shot. Today is day three of AI and Piyush, where I'm trying to build a business until I make 10 lakh dollar, not 10 lakh dollar, 10 lakh rupees monthly recurring revenue. And this is one of the first offering. There are more in mind, like the digital courses and everything, but one thing at a time. So how we're gonna distribute is the live stream which we are doing, and after that I have to build a flow. I'll just update build an AI content pipeline. What it will be, I'll tell you later. Other founders coach trials. इसके अंदर we have to add one more. uh, Ami content writer, and one more, Dr. Sanjay Sarkar. I'll tell you about this particular person in a while. In the workshop as demo, so yeah, I was thinking to build videos around workshops and sell it as digital courses. Advertisement videos, which is something which I would be diverting towards the people who are taking AI video ad courses from me, as they are also getting good inquiry and they are also getting good at it. And service providing, uh, landing page, information provide, recipe integration, file download, video recording, sharing, Q&A call setup. So this one is the ideal one, but the current one would seem different. The community Discord, we have to create server setup, moderators and everything. Yeah, so I actually created a Discord channel, which I will put link I will give in the description later. Or what I should do is I should just share my camera feed for a while and get Discord channel link for you guys. Where do I keep it? I have put it in the live stream as a comment, pin message. Whoever is joining, if you want to get connected on Discord, then give this link a try. Okay, now I don't know how to design all this channel and everything, but we will make sure like we do something about it later. Now let me turn back my screen. Yep. So we will be having conversation over here or building a community here where I can share resources and everything. So yeah, that was Discord part. Server setup is done, channel setup is done, moderators will getting later. Now apart from this, one new update. So I just got an inquiry to create a personal branding website, and I need to send them a quotation and scope of work, I would say. So for today's live session, we will be doing this two part, and I also have set it up an AI editing setup with Cloud Code, which can edit my video. So what I'm gonna do later is I'll be editing this clippings from this live stream and turn it into YouTube videos. Today I have 30 more minutes, so let me ideate something, what I can or how I should be doing it. Let's keep it simple. So today we're gonna create quotation and scope of work for a personal branding website. Okay, let me give that hook again. The video should start from here. So in today's episode, we're gonna create a quotation and a scope of work. वापस से करते हैं. सो मेरे पास एक पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग वेबसाइट का इंक्वायरी है और उसके लिए मुझे कोटेशन चाहिए और स्कोप ऑफ वर्क चाहिए. तो उसके लिए मैं चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करने वाला हूँ आज. तो चैट जीपीटी के अंदर एक वर्क मोड होता है जहाँ पे आप डॉक्यूमेंटेशन या बहुत कुछ ऐसे अच्छे से उसको काम दे सकते हैं, निकाल सकता है वो काम. एंड चैट इज़ द नॉर्मल क्लासिक चैट जीपीटी. Now I just realized that I might have ended up my limits, usage limits for ChatGPT. If that would be the case, we will be using Cloud Code. Okay, it's back on 100% left. So what we're gonna do here is I need to create a quotation. I would have created AI project where I would be creating those kind of quotation. So what we're gonna do right now is let's start it from the very beginning. What I'll do is I'll just create a new project itself, or I can do it in AI and Piyush. No, that would be risky. तो बेसिकली कोडेक्स में आप जब भी नया प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करते हो तो आप उसका नाम देके तुरंत ही चालू करवा सकते हो जो डॉक्यूमेंट के फोल्डर में रहेगा. अगर यूज़ एग्जिस्टिंग फोल्डर करोगे तो आपको फोल्डर का पाथ देना पड़ेगा. एंड इस फोल्डर का नाम रखेंगे हम बिल्डिंग इन पब्लिक. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल what I am supposed to do. Yeah, let's do one thing. Any task, whenever we start, no, we have to start with the plan mode. And in the plan mode I will just prompt it ke hey, I need to create a scope of work and quotation related one document as a pitch deck for personal branding website offering. Now, after giving that prompt, I'll just open up my notes and I'll just mention the details or requirements, whatever I discussed in the meeting. We have to make a pitch deck. It's a personal brand founder, small business owner, and agency partner. Who is this document mainly meant to pursue? Personal brand founder. How should we frame the quotation inside the document? Single custom quote. What commercial baseline should the quotation be built around? Premium strategic offer, design built only, you will share pricing later. Position is as a high top-notch personal branding website engagement with discovery, positioning, copy, design, and non-support. Yeah, we have to give like good service. Now it is writing a plan for itself. So whenever you create a project or whenever you use a folder to build something, consider it a separate folder where you are keeping one topic related files. So you can have multiple folders and you can also give multiple folders together to ChatGPT to work around it. But I would recommend that if you are building a website, then the folder should be separate. If you are doing business operation, then you should keep doing all the business operation in the same folder. So it doesn't need to think again about the designing and everything. It has given me the plan and I'm just going to implement it without even considering like looking at it. Okay, we got a new viewer. There is somebody watching the stream. Hello. Hope you are doing well and hope you are having a good day. So, what we are doing right now is using AI to create an offer for a service which I'm supposed to, provide somebody. This person is a gentleman and he wants a website for monetizing his previous business assets, like probably books or reports or documentation or way of thinking and more. So I'm helping him around like what can be the roadmap for him, as well as I'm also going to take care of the website. So this particular documentation or pitch deck, whatever we are creating, it is supposed to be sent to that person. Now, the funny story is last 3 days I was building this user interface where I was making this different, screens, let's say. So this particular screen, which you are seeing right now, that is done in the same package. Then this camera screen where the this particular marquee strip is there. Then screen and Piyush is basically me and the screen. And if I'm taking a break, then it would be back in a moment. So yeah, let's go to this normal one. So all I gave was a bit of information about what I wanted, and this new agentic AI way of working is just vibing business. That sounds so absurd or probably cringe, but I need to think of some new name. Vibe coding होता है वैसे ही uh, something, I don't know. Hello Jash Raj. Hi भाई कैसा है? Hi Jash. Jash is an amazing editor. I would say he edits crazy. You should check out his Instagram. So bro, what we are doing right now is I'm creating a proper quotation and workscope documentation, and I'm using Codex by ChatGPT. And I gave him the scope of work, okay, what I want to do. It asked me a couple of questions, and then it proposed me a plan, and then I said yes, implement this plan. And then it started working one step at a time, and it is still working. It is auto critiquing its own work also to improve the work and make it better. I'm doing good. By I just started this live streaming back few days. The plan is to do as much live stream as I can, and whatever the videos I want to record or whatever I want to teach or whatever I'm discovering, or let's say however I'm working, documenting everything live as it happens. We got one more viewer. Nice. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Okay, it has created a deck. Let's view that particular presentation, how it has made it. I hope it's visible. Strategic digital presence designed to position as clear authority in the room. Okay. A strong reputation still lose momentum when a digital presence feels fragmented. This is too much of data. This is too much of data. Please concise it and finish it in 3 pages without wasting anyone's time. I have prompted it to concise it further. It has created this document, but it is too much. Matlab, if somebody presents this document to me, I might not read the entire thing. So I'm just asking it to concise it into 3 slides. I also have to give requirement what I want. So how many pages which we will be having, and what functionality and what platform do we choose? And how do we integrate AI in it? So automating the process also. What would be the backend? How it will, link up to the LinkedIn and social media, other social media platform. And we will also have a store over there. Now, few functionalities are complicated, like having a store and all. Like having a blog probably is also a bit difficult, but still easy. So probably we will be working from Wix. Wix, I have made a couple of websites and my team also knows about it, how to work around it. So now what we have to do is, I'll close this presentation for a while. And I'm being impatient, but let's see. Let me have this finished. Let's wait. So this is a 3-pager document. No, it is still 9 pages. Let's approach it differently. We'll just have a new session. Hey, let's plan about a personal branding website using Wix. Can you check the current cost for Wix Premium? पहले हमें ना Wix का प्राइसिंग देख लेते हैं. I'll just ask INR. इंडियन करेंसी में कितना होगा? So now consider, if we are going with light plan, uh, compare core and light and annual price. Let's just go to the wix.com website, and that should be कहाँ मिलेगा डेटा. ये मेरा है ना विक्स का मैनेजमेंट पेज है. Okay, here we have yearly, and it's basically Indian currency now. So what we can recommend to this person? This is not having e-commerce benefits, so this will be the plan. Okay, we can provide this core plan to him, and I can just have a screenshot. Okay, anyways, let's go back to the codex and say, okay, this is an available plan. Now let's discuss about the pages and features. I don't want to install Wix at the moment. It has provided a standard format. Now I need to be specific about my particular case. About page is there. We will be selling digital products also. This sounds good. Product types can be reports, books, courses. What else? And more. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we will be packaging this further. I would just need to prompt it Hey, can we move towards? सो इस बुक्स के अंदर कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं लिखा है. ये बुक्स के अंदर मैं नोट्स देख रहा था कि मैं कुछ भूल नहीं रहा ना ऐसा. एंड प्रॉम्प्टिंग का दूसरा एक तरीका भी है. लेट्स ट्राई दैट ऑल्सो. Can we move towards creating the actual document now? I guess we have enough accurate information. I also need to tell that the engagement duration will be 2 weeks, 15 days. Within 15 days, we will make the entire project live and up and running for them. Thank you. Bye. We need a formal scope of work and proposal document. And you won't believe what all I will do is just do some copy pasting. And so I mentioned in the beginning, like, I'll tell you about this person. So he is our first lead or first prospect after we started the live. Though I know him previously and I helped him with understanding AI, and he wants me to help him with personal branding website, for which we are building this quotation and a scope of work document, for which we are building this scope of work document. And let's see, it has created a MD file just for our review. This is too long. Need a quick scan document. It will create. Can you create a beautifully designed PDF which I can share to him? Also, put up the price 65K, 65,000 Indian currency. And what else? Yeah, just design this document. So it's doing the cleanup and all. Now it will be presenting that document. So let's see कैसा बनाया. चलो चलो चैट जीपीटी जल्दी जल्दी काम खत्म करो. So once this PDF is generated, I'll just review it. I'll show you. We all will see it together, and then I have to end this particular stream, and we will continue from tomorrow. So let's wait a little bit more. मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ कि do a refinement pass. भाई इसको रिफाइन कर दो फटाफट. This looks content wise it is good, but it is cramped right now. So I still have like one more day to build this properly. So we'll continue this in tomorrow's live session. We'll close this here. I have another commitment. So, guys, thank you for joining, whoever was here, and let's just end the stream.